Hello my lovelies, welcome back and thank you so much for the love on my last video. I thought this time I could answer my second most commented question of where I get my furniture from, as well as some tips on creating a princess room on a budget. Enough yapping from me, let's get into it. This vintage vanity is what started my entire room transformation. I was on the hunt for a new dressing table as mine was made from pine wood and really clashed with all the colours of my room. I had these princessy vintage styles saved on my Pinterest for inspiration, but I did not have a big budget at all. So I headed to my absolute saviour Facebook Marketplace, and there she was in all of her glory at just £50. She did not come easily though. Somebody had offered to pick her up before I could, however I worked my magic and made her all mine. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know this wardrobe. It is quite literally my pride and joy. When we had gone to pick up the vanity, the people selling it said that there were some other furniture pieces that matched. My mum had texted me with the pictures and I was screaming, crying, throwing up, needed these pieces of furniture. The whole set was originally from Harrods in the 60s and I think the collection was called Olympia. It was £200 for both of these, which is such a steal considering how amazing the quality is and how well they've been loved and looked after. As somebody who spends a silly amount of time lounging around in bed, I wanted to have the perfect pink, cozy haven and live out my sleeping beauty dreams. I think patchwork bedspreads really make a room look both clean and cozy, and I had this one from Amazon saved on my inspo board for years. A headboard always completes a bed, so I was obsessively seeking out a princess style. Now, my bed is a small double, so finding one this size that's secondhand that's also pretty took determination. But I persevered and I pushed through and I found this beautiful quilted one at just £10 on, you guessed it, Facebook Marketplace. I also added these giant bows above my bed because I'm extra. They are actually supposed to be for a Christmas tree, but I think they look so cute. These were under £10 from Home Bargains. As you can tell, I have a serious obsession with picnic baskets, and I think they look so cute on top of my wardrobe. I bought this basket from an antique shop for I think around £6 and stored my bouquet of fake flowers from Botanical Balloons and Bouquets. The combination of the two is so pretty and it's like having a hint of spring all year round, which is of course my favourite season. When I saw this basket on Marketplace, I'm not sponsored, I promise, it quite literally stole my heart. This was just £15 and I absolutely love her. This was my first ever picnic basket and the most expensive. This was around £25 from Amazon, which is honestly why I'd recommend shopping secondhand. Let me tell you about this majestic mirror. I spotted this in an antiques and vintage emporium and immediately fell in love. When I tell you there was no space in my room for this mirror, but I still had to have it because delusional me believed it was destined for me. This was £70 with delivery and so worth it. This chair is the prettiest little thing. I really love the carving of the wood because it reminds me of angel wings. The story behind this chair is one of my lovely friends Hannah tagged me in an ex-outlet furniture store post which featured these chairs, and oh my gosh, I was in love. I ran as fast as I could to go and get her before somebody else did. She was £40 and worth every single penny. Another piece of furniture I did not need but I felt I had to have. A lamp is a must for cozy lighting, especially in winter, so I was on the lookout for a cute little vintage style floral lampshade and I came across this cute pink one from Amazon. It is the loveliest addition to my vanity and definitely makes my room feel a lot warmer. upcycling is the funnest way to personalise a piece of furniture while sticking to a budget. I bought this lamp from an antique shop for £15 and worked a little bit of magic to make it my own. I cleaned off any dust, sanded down the base and painted it from brown to gold so it would match my room, as well as painting over a few details on the lady. I didn't do the cleaner's job, however, I had so much fun and I'm still proud of her. This vanity stool is actually supposed to be an upcycling project that I still haven't gotten around to yet, so let me know if you'd like to see me attempt to reupholster it on video. I've had comments on videos before asking me where I got my gold TV frame from, and the secret is it's actually just sticky tape. It is the cheapest way to make your TV match your room, and you can literally use any colour you want to. Of course, you know I wasn't going to finish this video without mentioning Facebook Marketplace one more time. I found my furniture through searching up keywords such as vintage, French, provincial, and rococo. You may have to hunt around a bit to find what you're looking for at a low price, but when you find it, it's so worth it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you loved it as much as I enjoyed making it. Please leave a comment if there are any more specific videos you'd like to see from me, and I'm sending you so much love as always. Until next time, bye!